What about the rest of the industry, the rest of the sector? What are they doing? Is there some changes that you see that the industry is actually adapting to or looking at to make sure that we put in the right technology, to put in, well, let me just say it this way. We don't speak the same language. Many of us in different companies, in different modes of transport, we don't connect somehow. I mean, some do, but the majority don't connect. I mean, if you're sending something by air and then it's gonna move to road, somehow there's a disconnect. If you're sending something by sea and it's gonna go by train and then move to road and then come by air, there's somehow a disconnect. There is not an easy or seamless, let's put it that way, a seamless process that would make this to go a lot smoother.
Sure.
Is there something going on in the industry? Are we talking to like the right universities and the right colleges and all of that to make sure that this education is taught?
Definitely. I mean, has been a lot of change over the last couple of years. And, you know, when you see the blockchain and also anything that come in, a lot of the AI now have been introduced in the industry for the ground, for the air, for the sea. So there is a lot of movement into that. However, what really is still broken is the language of the technology language, and how you're going to make it seamless from start to end. And those the kind of things has to be disruptive. And how to be disruptive, obviously you have to look at something which is or in being a quality guru or quality black belt and whatever. I drive on the doing it right the first time and every time. It's not just doing it right one time, it's doing it right every time.
Excellent.
And with that, you cannot do any of that without, if you doing a routine, you have to mechanize that. And if you have something exception, you have to humanize that. So what does that mean? So if I'm doing something routine, I have to find the best way, the fastest way, the most accurate way to do that by using AI or using technology to be able to speed that process and making sure it's done correctly every time. And that's what I say, you know, you be able to put in technology into routine and numbers to be able to get into, to speak to somebody because I have a problem.
Correct.
You know, I lost my credit card in the machine and I want to talk to somebody to tell them because I don't know what's going to happen to my credit card or have, you know, whatever few dollars on it. And I kept getting the machine. I got so frustrated, I ended changing my whole entire account from that bank to another bank because I could not, yes, call me old-fashioned. I could not talk to a machine that is not responding to what I'm saying. I'm saying I have a problem, it's telling me, give me your account number. It does not work. In our industry, it has to really look into that.
Yes.
Humanize the exception.